Hello, this is Kurt Young, Senior Technical Marketing Engineer at Kemp. Today I'd like to talk about Kemp Application Delivery Fabric, and more specifically VS Motion in Kemp360 Central. Kemp Application Delivery Fabric is a unified, automated, elastic application delivery services platform. It enables customers to deliver the best application user experience and gives the insight required to be in total control. VS Motion is a component that allows for virtual services to be moved or copied across LoadMasters that are managed within Kemp360 Central. Let's look at a couple different use cases. Most application development will have a structured release management process that allows for a rollout of new code. This typically consists of development, QA or testing, and finally production environments. These environments may be different in regards to resources that are allocated, but the configuration in these environments must always be identical, and this includes the configuration options on the application delivery controller or load balancer. On a Kemp LoadMaster, the configuration options required to deliver the application, such as scheduling, persistence, and application health checking, to name a few, are what make up virtual service. Customers could look at each LoadMaster to confirm that the settings are identical and manually update the virtual services to keep them in sync, but this will often lead to something missed or therefore having possible inconsistencies across the different environments. As I mentioned, with Kemp360 Central and VS Motion, customers have the ability to simply copy or move the configuration from one LoadMaster to another, ensuring that all the configuration options are identical across the environments. Also, with our platform ubiquity, it doesn't matter whether the development environment is running in Azure Stack, testing is running in one cloud, production is running in another, or any other combination. Kemp LoadMaster is the same across all of them, and therefore moving virtual services is seamless. These days, it's not uncommon for organizations to make the move to the cloud. VS Motion just made moving the workloads that are running on-premise to the cloud that much easier, and once again, without the possibility of misconfigurations on the application delivery controller. In this demonstration, I have a Kemp LoadMaster running in Azure. Let's call that my development environment. And I'm moving this to AWS, which is my QA environment. I have my real servers that are running my workload in both environments, and they have the same IP addresses. With the Kemp360 Central and VS Motion, I could simply copy the virtual service and all the settings from the LoadMaster that's running in Azure over to the Kemp LoadMaster running in AWS. Here we are in Kemp360 Central. This is the global dashboard. This is going to give us an overall health of our entire application delivery infrastructure. But in order to use VS Motion, we need to go over to Network and Device Administration. Here we have a listing of all the application delivery controllers in our environment. We have obviously LoadMasters listed, as well as some third-party ADCs such as F5, Nginx, and AWS. Here in the AWS East US region, I have VLM Mila 3. And currently, this LoadMaster has no virtual services set up. So I'd like to copy a virtual service from Azure VLM Mila 2. So I can simply go to Service Configuration. I have a few virtual services. I want to copy this one, this web on port 80. So I can simply VS Motion Migrate, select VLM Mila 3. And I just need to enter an IP address for the virtual service as it gets moved onto AWS. I'll leave port 80, and I'm going to enable the virtual service on the target after the copy. So now I just simply copy. And now if I go back to VLM Mila 3, I see that the virtual service has been copied and is in an up state. So now I can go ahead and access that virtual service in AWS. For more information on how Kemp360 and VS Motion can fit into your development, management, and migration strategies, please visit kemptechnologies.com. Thanks for watching.